is the timeline of Munia. Who is writing the timeline of Munia? Her sister is writing the timeline of Munia. How we know that? Because in the previous page, page number 42, there a story is given that you have to read. Rani's diary. She is writing the timeline of Munia. First of all, let us change something here. Write here 5. 2005. We have to maintain the order of this timeline. First of all, we will write here 1. 5 March is given. Then this will be number 2. This will be number 3. How I know? Because here 15 September is given and here 5 September is given. And you have to see the years also. On the upside it given 2005 and downward it is given 2006. The next will be number 4, which will be 10 November or 20 November? 10 November. 4, 5. I will write 6 here. No. I will write 6 here because it is given 5 January and here February is given. So here we will write number 7. Now we had done the timeline of Munia in order. Now let us see the questions which had given in your textbook. Here what you have to do, we have arranged before only. You have to simply copy here the dates like this. 5, 9. 9 stands for September, so you will write first 5, 9 and the activity which had written at downwards. Then you will write here 15, 9. Now we will see the questions first. In question it is given, Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? How many months old she then? And how many months have passed from March to September? She got her tooth in the month of September. So let us count. March, April, May, June, July, August and September. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months and 6 months are gone. She got her tooth in the month of September. How many months old was she then? And how many months have passed from March to September? So we will write here 6 months. The next question is, how old was Munia when she first set up? In your textbook it is given 10th November. November means 11 month of 2005. So again we have to count from the birth date of 5 March to 10th November. Again March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October and November. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When she first set up date is given of November. So what we will write? 8 months had passed. Then after the question is given, she got her first tooth. We had count previously also 6 months and 15 days, means we will write 6 months or 6.5 months. Half month. Why I am writing half month? Because 15 days are passed. Now downward one question is given, what did she do first? Walking, eating a banana, eating a banana. Then second question is crawling or standing? Crawling. This question I had explained you previously. In the previous video, I had explained the differences of animals and human beings' lifespan by using the example of a tiger, cat and old man. Here the same question is given. He is the Rani's grandfather. This is the Chuchu's rat's grandfather. Elephant Appu's grandfather. Now who looks old from these three figures? Grandfather looks old. So your question is given here. How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Appu's grandfather age is 95 years and here Rani's grandfather age is 70 years. So let us subtract from 95 to 70. 5 minus 0 it will be 5 and from 9 subtract 7 it will be 25. So we will write the answer that 25 years older. In the next question, will Chuchu's grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? So what the situation here? Never. Never. See the lifespan of the rat I had given in the previous video. Compare the rat's age. Rat's lifespan is not of 70 years, not of 95 years. So we will write here no, never. Third question is, how much younger is Chuchu's rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Chuchu's rat grandfather is 2 years old and Rani's grandfather is 70 years old. So what we will do? Subtract 70 from 2. So we will get 68. How? Now you know how to subtract. 10 minus 2 and here we will write 6. First of all, look this page clearly. In this page there are 2 letters written by 2 persons for each other. Their names are, one is Shabana and other is Atif. Don't be confused. First letter is of whom and other letter is of whom. First letter is written by Atif's holiday had begun. He was very excited. So he wrote her a letter. Means this letter is written by Atif. How we know? By seeing the name of the. Now here, dear Shabana Appa, he had written to her sister. He is mentioning the holidays. Holidays of Atif is started from 1/5/2006 and it will be finished on my school will reopen on 36. So we know that the holidays of Atif will start from 1/5/2006 to 36/2006. Means on this date his school will get started. Now the next letter is of Shabana. Shabana is writing the letter to Atif. Atif stays at Ajmer and Shabana stays at Nagpur. She is writing the letter to Atif. She is also describing the holidays of her. My school will close on 1st June and it will be reopened on 1st August. Means her holidays day, starting date is 1/6/2006 and ending date is 10th of August, means 10/8/2006. Now the next question is given. Atif wrote his letter on 1/5/2006. You remember how we write the date in numbers? Yes, I had told you previously also. 5 is mentioned for May. The question section. How long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? From Ajmer to Nagpur, Atif had written on the date of 1/5 and Shabana got on the date of 6/5. Means how many days had passed? 5 days. So let us reach 5 days to Nagpur. How many days will Atif spend at his Nani's place? At his Nani's place, he had written clearly that he will go at Nani's place on the date of 5th May of 2006, and he will be back on 25. We can say easily that it will be of 15 days. Now your tables are given, so you have to fill. Shabana's holidays started from 1/6. In this column you will write 1/6/2006 to 10/8/2006. Now your number of days you have to write 1/6 means the month of June. The days of the Junes are, how many days in the month of June? 30. July 31, and in August it will be 10, because 10 date is given here. So we will add it. 30 plus 31, it will be 61, and 61 plus, we will add like this, 0 plus 1 plus 0, it will be 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1, it will be 7. 71 days. But at 10th of August, his school will start. So we have to subtract 1 day. So it will be 70 days of holidays. Now Atif's holiday. Atif's holiday started from 1/5/2006, and it will be end on 36. 1/5 and 36. Here again same method. In May, how many days are there? 31? Yes. And June 30. But 30 is the date of opening of the school. So we will write 61 and we will cut 1 day. Our answer will be 60 days. Now this table we don't have to do now. This we will do in our school. And this page you have to write with your own. I will send the PDF and you will write here the date, such as 25 is given. So you will write 20 May 2006. This is the timeline you have to do in your maths notebook. The same picture I will send you, and after completing the concept of time, you will write this timeline in your notebook. The previous timelines PDF I had sent, that is not compulsory. You have to do in your extra time in your rough book. So don't be confused, and if you want to add some patterns here, so you can add it. Either do the square or a triangle or any shape you want. So complete this timeline in your notebook, and the events which I had written, you don't have to write same as here. You can write your own date, you can write your own events or the moments of your life.